Alright, welcome back. Today we are going to work on tearing up the old plywood, seeing what kind of repairs need to be done to the old metal floor underneath it, and converting any rust that we find, and then prepping for priming the floors.
It's gonna be a good day.
You be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law. I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world.
So the screws won't come out, so I'm gonna have to brute force these treads off. There we go, piece of cake. So, the plan for this area here is we really want to have a co-pilot seat. So this, right where these stairs are, is where Amy's captain's chair is going to go. And so my thought is that this will be a great spot for the condenser for the front mini split. So the condenser will sit down in here. I'll cut out some vents in the flat surfaces of the stairs so that it avoids getting a bunch of road grime up into it, but it'll have enough airflow to properly cool the condenser. And then we'll have a expanded metal or some sort of screen on the outside also. So I just have to build a floor support under here, above here, and then put plywood on it. And that should be good, but I'm finding that there's definitely a lot of rust underneath this plywood, so we're definitely going to have to do some rust converter and clean up that rust before we lay down our new subfloor. But I'm glad that we weren't thinking we could save this subfloor, because it is garbage. It's rotten in a lot of spots. You can tell that they washed out this bus a lot, which I guess is good as far as cleanliness of a bus goes, but water definitely seeped through the bolt holes and things holding the seats down. So we'll have to take care of that once we get the floor taken off. There you go.
You guys got it? Watch out. The other, oh, there it is.
You know what? The best way you guys can do it is just to start. Just start taking it. You want to fill it up?
Oh, it's gonna be too awkward. Wait.
So you got a bunch of leave the wall.
Down. Okay. Careful.
There you go.
Yeah. Teamwork. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Evan, watch out, honey.
Window under us, so be careful.
Not that hard.
That one's underneath.
1, 2, 3. I'm getting this up too.
Cole's like, how can we make this the cheapest thing?
Melt this rubber.
That's why we had to get so many like glue. Like melted it down to the
So why don't you already turn them black?
finish first.
Kind of this area. Yeah.
Good job, Mom.
Top of the year.
Okay, I'm
A
gonna,
lot of stuff in it.
yeah, I know. I'm gonna do this.
when the lights out. With the lights on.
It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow. The rainbow.
All right, we got the loose rust off of the floor, and we got ran through with the pressure washer. Now we're going to go ahead and convert the rust on the floor. We're going to use the OSPA rust converter. This converts iron oxide to iron phosphate, which is just an inert form of iron there that won't continue to rust. And then once we're done with that, we'll lay down a coat of primer.
More liquid dough.
Yep, Totoro. It kind of smells like green apple.
We're only supposed to use a third of that gallon.
What? Are you serious?
Well, it covers 600 feet,
Oh, well.
but coverage is never.
It's almost done.
Get it nice and wet into the corner.
No puzzling. Do you understand?
Hey.
Even if there is like no rust there. Yeah, just
Forgiveness.
I'll do like a moist puddle, not a wet puddle.
Forgiveness. And then Bono will come on and give me safety. Except all Bono like. I feel like I do a pretty good impression of Bono.
Who's Bono?
I don't know. Who's
I don't know.
What's Bono?
Who is Bono?
He's a singer.
Nuh-uh.
Chopped lettuce?
No kid.
You don't know him?
His middle name, Fine. Chopped fine lettuce.
It's Mrs. Feinberg's kid.
Chunky?
Chopped chunky lettuce.
Chunky lettuce.
It's the mom.
Chop the lettuce.
Chop the lettuce. It sounds like a cartoon, like, or like a child's book.
Yeah. Okay.
Go under.
Fun.
Chocolate lettuce. And he's going to teach you about STDs.
Wait then. Don't paint where Dad's.
We're not there yet. Don't worry. Our bus doesn't have a.
See a dry spot.
Our bus where?
It touched my foot.
My foot do be melted.
Different color. Like that looks like a dry spot, but it's not.
Okay.
Okay, how am I supposed to get under the
gallon
canoe?
bucket of poop under our bus.
Yes.
What?
Sure.
Oh, wait. Shoot. Like, well, why are you looking at her like that? He's like, I'm not looking at her like that. But I know that there are people who would look at her like that.
I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.